Hey guys, Random is live for the dessert break. It's 6:03 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. I'm going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. And the teams going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yoink. Random is complete, and the teams are Thomas Oliver Thunder, Dean Williams Cavs, Alex Stewart Pistons, Matus Wolves, Albie Clippers, Drybell Sixers, Van Balen Celtics, Albie Bucks, Thomas Oliver Knicks, Albie Nuggets, Brian with Raptors, Palmisano Wizards, Duncan Rockets, Jeremy Kings, Jeremy Beckman Kings, Jeremy Timmons Hawks, Sanson Ong Heat, Bill with Suns, Corey Jazz, Van Balen Lakers, Carvoso Spurs, Coulson Nets, Morgan Blazers, Peter Payne's Pacers, Higgins Bulls, Ash Peters Grizz, Benji Warriors, Billy Hoyle Hornets, Marcus Pelicans, Brian Magic, and Carvoso Mavericks. So I'll put that team list up now. And it's 6:05, 9 PM Melbourne time.